cuties, what's up? This is Mikori and welcome back to our channel Secret Recipe Book. Nowadays, we all know what is 5 minutes craft. Today I'll be testing out one life hack from 5 minutes craft and check if it's real or fake. So without any further delay, let's dig into the video. To do this food hack, you're gonna need 4 slices of white bread. Then take a slice of white bread and then cut off its corner. Don't throw them away, you can have them later. Here I've chopped off the corners of all our bread slices. Now take a piece of our bread slice and roll it out with a rolling pin. Don't put too much pressure or it will tear off. Now you can see the thickness of the bread slice, just like some parathas. Here I have rolled 4 of our bread slices. Now I'm gonna take homemade chocolate syrup. You can use the market one. Because it is homemade, it's super thick, but it does not matter at all. Now roll it out like Swiss roll. My first one tear off, but don't worry, I made another batch of 4. Here I'm using sandwich maker. You can also use tawa also. Now put the prepared bread chocolate rolls into it. Here I'm using the sandwich maker, so I don't need oil or butter. If you're using tawa, then you take use of oil or butter. After 2 to 3 minutes, our chocolate bread rolls are ready. Now I'm transferring it into a plate. When you cut these off, these are super crispy from outside and super creamy from inside. I just love this recipe. It is super tasty. I would give it a 10 out of 10. So it is totally a mission successful. If you want me to try more of 5 minutes craft food recipes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep the notification bell on so that you're notified when I'm making another video on 5 minutes craft. Till then, adios.